Ever wondered how to take the first step towards mastering Salesforce administration? Well, wonder no more. Today, delve into the world of Salesforce, a powerful customer relationship management tool that is used by businesses worldwide to connect with their customers in a whole new way. To start, understand what Salesforce is. It's a cloud-based software company that provides an interface for case management and task management, and a system for automatically routing and escalating important events. The Salesforce platform is a comprehensive tool designed to help businesses grow by improving their relationships and understanding with customers, partners, and potential clients. Now, imagine being the conductor of this powerful orchestra, the Salesforce administrator. An administrator is responsible for managing all the functions that keep this software running like a well-oiled machine. This includes everything from managing users, data, and security to customizing and maintaining the Sales Cloud application. So, how does one become a Salesforce administrator? Well, the journey begins with understanding the Salesforce environment. This environment consists of objects, fields, and records. Objects are tables in the Salesforce database that store information about the organization. Fields are columns in the table, and records are individual entries in the database. Next, grasp the importance of Salesforce editions. Salesforce offers different editions like Essentials, Professional, Enterprise, and Unlimited, each with its own set of features and limitations. It's essential to choose the one that fits the organization's needs and budget. Once familiar with the environment and editions, it's time to dive into the Salesforce Admin Console. This is where the magic happens. The console is the command center for all Salesforce operations. It's where administrators manage users, set permissions, create reports and dashboards, and customize the application to fit the organization's needs. Now embark on the journey of data management. Data is the lifeblood of any CRM system, and Salesforce is no exception. Learn to import, update, transfer, and export data using Salesforce's data tools. Remember, good data management practices ensure the reliability, efficiency, and security of the system. Finally, get to grips with Salesforce security. Learn about profiles, roles, and permission sets. These control who has access to what within the system. Good security practices protect the organization's valuable data from unauthorized access and potential data breaches. In summary, beginning the journey to becoming a Salesforce administrator involves understanding the Salesforce environment, getting familiar with the different editions, learning to navigate the Salesforce Admin Console, managing data, and ensuring system security. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. So, take that step today and unlock the power of Salesforce administration. In the dynamic world of Salesforce, there's always something new to learn, always a new problem to solve, and always a new way to grow. So, buckle up and enjoy the ride.